It's a new topic.
Correct. What do you understand about the operators? Any idea about operators?
I don't understand.
I think
Only in like simple terms. Operator means to operate.
operators are the symbols used to perform operation on data, like a comparing, calculating, filtering. I will write it.
Okay.
Operator are the symbols used to perform the operation on data, like compare, calculate, filters, etc. So, what types of the operators? You are the students of the science, the engineer background, right? I would like to know what types of operator,
Yes.
please.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I tell you. Addition, subtraction,
Yes.
multiplication,
Operator in that also and or nor, I think, yeah.
addition, and division, and float. You can make is a float, okay, float or modules. Got it? So these are the types of the operator.
Yeah.
What types of the comparison operator? No, you're talking about the comparing operators. Operators, right? What are comparing operators? We have a equal. We have a not equal. Not equal. It's like, how can we write it? I tell you, like this or like this. Well, and then is a greater than, then is like a less than,
Yes.
and we can use like a greater than or equal. Then less than or equal. Am I right? Now we have another the logical operator. What does it mean? Logical operator.
And or nor.
Correct. Logical operators. Let's see what we have logical operators. And what is the mean and here?
Addition.
And means both conditions must be true.
Yes, yes, yes.
Used to both used to in both used in both condition to. What about the or?
Both condition are not true.
No. At least one condition true.
Is true, yeah.
At least one condition is true. Now is a not a reverse condition. Reverse condition. Okay, what is the reverse condition? Reverse condition means
Like positive to negative, negative to positive.
not true and not false. It means not will be there. Right? What about the string operation or operators?
String operators.
Yeah,
Characters.
correct. String operators used for text operator,
Yes,
used for text operations.
yes.
Mhm. The example like this like is an example. Okay, like, I write it like this. Like. So how can we use here? Let's see. We use here where clause where name name like start from a
Yes.
first first word should be a like this. After query or using where clause, it is a search pattern. You can say this is search pattern. Okay. Now one more I want to teach you special operator. We will apply tomorrow these how to work in this. Okay. Just we have to learn today, then we will apply. practically. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
A special operator means, okay, one is in match multiple values. What does it mean here? In use used to match multiple values. Okay, where example where department in IT and HR, whatever you want. Okay, I make in capital, or whatever you want it, you can use small, whatever. Okay. In the
Yes.
second, it means okay, I make this it here like this. So we are talking about the specific. Okay, now I make this. So it means the range. Okay, it means it range make this is the new one. Between what is used between uses to make a range or to the values between the range.
Yes.
How can we use like example? Give you example here. Same example. I give here example. Where where salary where salary between what you want the range and the range specific range 60,000 and 75,000. Now, now one more what we have is null. Is null. Null to get value, value, value empty. Value empty value. You can check the empty value. Like their salary is null. Example. Am I right?
Yes.
I'm going to share these things today with you, okay? And then we will practice.